Hi everyone, it's Victoria or Vic Wavy. Follow me on Instagram if you're somehow finding this outside of Instagram. I think only my friends are gonna watch this. But so I'm going to do a try on haul today for this brand called Girlfriend Collective, and I'm gonna read from their website. As a disclaimer, I'm not getting paid for this. I'm not being sponsored. I just absolutely love this brand. Girlfriend started in 2016. The way I found out about it was my roommate Sky. I don't know if you're watching this, but you put me on. In 2016, 2017, she would carry like these cute bags. Let me show you. Every item you buy from them comes in paper packaging that's recycled, but the actual bras and leggings come in these adorable pink zip bags that I use for everything. I'll like put produce in here when I go shopping. I'll store my workout clothes when I'm like carrying it in my bag. They're just super adorable, super functional, and recyclable. If for some reason you don't want to keep them, you can recycle them. Everything's biodegradable. In addition, they have this recycle program where after like you're done wearing your stuff, you don't like it anymore, if it's not good anymore, if it's stained and you just want to get rid of it, you don't just throw it out. You can send them to them and they'll give you $15 credit for a future purchase, which I think is amazing, because the whole point of a sustainable lifestyle is that you're not just buying things all the time. You buy something, you use it for a while, up until it doesn't work anymore, up until it has no use or it doesn't bring you joy. It's not like fast fashion where you're buying something new like every week. No, like you keep these things until they fulfill their purpose. With Girlfriend, you get money to buy more, and the cycle continues where you don't have to shop that much. You save money, you save time, and you feel good about it because you're using recycled water bottles. Everything from this brand is made from recycled water bottles, which I think is amazing. It does not feel like plastic water bottles. The materials are so soft, so comfortable, so practical, and they even tell you how many water bottles were used in every single item. I think every single item, it tells you how many water bottles were recycled, how many pounds of CO2 were prevented, and how many kilowatts, kWh. So they're very transparent, and I think that's amazing. I think you should want to invest your money in companies that are transparent about their products and about their pricing. On top of that, their workers are paid living wages. But anyway, first thing off the bat, when you go to their website, you notice the diversity. You notice that they literally show every skin tone, every body type, and even the sizes. The sizes run from extra, extra small all the way to 6XL, which I think is very body inclusive. And you see this in all the models. They show every single size, and they make it really easy for you to find your size because they will show you the model and tell you how tall she is, what size they usually wear, and what size they are wearing in the picture for the bra or the leggings. They mostly sell athletic wear, so bras, tees, tank tops, leggings, sweats, jackets, but they also sell socks and scrunchies and underwear as of recently. And I think price-wise, they're actually very good. I think the most expensive item is like $100, and it's a track jacket. Bras themselves run anywhere from like 30 to 50, which is really good for a bra. The first bra I ever bought was 4 years ago, and I still have it, and it's just as new. So me being the shopping addict that I am, I bought a bunch of stuff, and I just wanted to try everything on and record myself doing it because that's what everyone does these days, right? But no, and I also got a lot of people saying that they would like to watch it. I guess a lot of people want to buy items from these brands, but they don't know how they'll look, and I can't wait to show you everything. We're going to start off with the Cleo bra. This one's made out of the float material. So the float material is actually different from the material from all the other Girlfriend bras and leggings. This one's very buttery, very soft, definitely thinner, not as compressive, but more comfortable. I can even probably compare it to the line material for Lululemon. It's just that soft. It literally feels like luxury on my skin. And so this one's really cute. It has like a U neck and a razor back, and the straps are thin because of thinness of the straps. It's not great for high intensity workouts. On the website it actually says only for low intensity, but I have used this for running and I was fine. Granted, I'm also smaller chested. I also got it in a small. For all the flow material, I get small just because of the fact that the material is not as compressive, and I like to have a bit of compression, especially in my bra. So went small with this one. Definitely cute. This one in particular is made from 12 water bottles. Again, it literally feels like luxury on my skin. So this one is that. Next bra I'm gonna go with is the Lola bra. Again, this one is also made from the flow material, super soft, buttery, thin. On the website it says medium impact sports. I'm not sure about that just because of the V-neck. For my bigger chested ladies, they might slip out. I was doing yoga and they were kind of like this close to slipping out, but it's just super comfortable. I even wear it on a daily basis, not even to work out, just to like lounge around, run errands. I really love the razor back. I also like how it's shorter compared to the other bras in length. Again, super comfortable. This one in particular is made out of 8 recycled water bottles. I would definitely buy this again just because it's so adorable. Again, I would only use it for like yoga and hanging out and stuff, but that's a Lola bra. Next bra is the Lola bra, and this one is super cute. First of all, I have to point out the back of it. I love this little V thing happening, and I think it's really cute. I'm not gonna lie, at first I was really scared. I didn't know how practical this was gonna be in terms of support, but this is actually very supportive, very compressive. I had no issues working out with it. Yeah, I think it's really, really cute. This one in particular was made from 12 water bottles. I got it in a size medium. On the website it says that it comes with removable cups. Mine didn't, but I'm also not a very big cup person. I take them out, I don't really like them, so that was fine with me, but just something to know. And another thing I did notice was, I'm not sure if it's because of the build of the straps or what it was, but right here under the armpits, it was kind of loose, as you can see over here. Again, not a huge issue. It's working out, you know, like no one's gonna notice that, but just something I did want to know. But again, super cute. I would definitely get it in other colors, maybe. That's the Lola bra. Next bra I'm gonna go with is the Dylan bra, and y'all, this is I think my favorite just because of the fact that it's a bra and a top. It's literally a crop top, and this one, even though regularly for the girlfriend material I get a medium, I got a small just because I did want it to be compressive, because I would want to wear this by itself, not with a top. Literally so cute. It's my favorite. I think I'm gonna get this in every single color if I can. I like that it has like a high neck. It's razor back. Again, super supportive, super comfortable. You can literally just wear it by itself, and I think that's why I love it so much, because I don't like wearing shirts when I work out. I like to work on topless, not topless, but like, you know, just like sports bra. And this is perfect, especially if like you're more self-conscious about that, self-conscious about the chest showing. This like literally holds everything in it. It's adorable. This one's also made out of 12 water bottles. This is flattering for anyone. So that's the Dylan bra. Next one is the Simone bra. I got this in a size medium in the color Moon, and on the website it says that this is the most compressive one. This is for like higher intensity workouts and stuff where you really need to like jump and hop around and move around and stuff. But this actually does provide a lot of support, I'm not gonna lie. And again, this one also comes with removable cups, but as I said, I'm not a cup person, but I just take them out. But it's super cute. I really like the razor back, or the cross back that's happening. It has adjustable straps for more support, which I absolutely love. I think there's only one other bra from Girlfriend that does that, and it's the Paloma bra. This one is also made out of 12 recycled water bottles. It also has hooks in the back, which is practical to make it tighter for more support, you know, and compression, but you still have to take it off like on top of your head. You can't just like take it off from the front, which kind of defeats the purpose. But overall, compression wise, this is amazing. Again, I got it in color Moon. I got it in medium, and I think it provides enough support. I feel like maybe I could size down, but I don't see a reason to when these are my settings right here. So, Simone bra. This is Tommy. I got it in medium. I got it in Ivory. I think it's absolutely cute, the square neck thing happening both in the front and in the back. Ideally, it is very adorable, but I think for me, as someone who's more broad-shouldered, I don't know how flattering it is, but as you can see, very durable, very compressive as well. I think this is just as compressive as the Simone and the Lola. I wore it running, I didn't have an issue. I wore it jumping rope and I didn't have an issue. If you wanted more support, you could probably size down, but I think it's great. I think they stayed in there, they stayed put. Yeah, I also just really like the color. Like, it's just very classy. I think I could even wear this to like go out at night or whatever. And Tommy is made from 10 recycled water bottles. So we're being ethical and we're being cute, ladies. So for the last bra, I'm gonna go over Topanga. And I actually have had this for quite a while, but I felt the need to review it just because I just bought the leggings to finish the set. So we'll talk about her. Topanga, I got in midnight, also size medium. As I said before, this is the only other bra that has adjustable straps for support, but I wouldn't call this a very supportive bra. You could definitely use it for higher intensity workouts, but I think you'd be better off using this for like medium intensity, yoga, Pilates, cycling, going on a walk, just hanging out. I think it's also super cute to just wear out and about or even to go out. It is a shorter length, but it's very nice. It holds everything in. And Topanga is made from 11 water bottles. Also in midnight, and as I said, I got the leggings. And these ones in particular are the full length, 28.5-inch inseam. I got them in small, which I kind of regret. I'm not gonna lie, these are very compressive, as the name says, compressive high rise. I think next time I'm gonna buy medium just to feel more comfortable. Although I can still move around in them, I can still work out in them, but because they are so compressive, I can't really just hang out in them in the house. But super cute. I like that on the side they have this little triangular detail, high-waisted, keeps everything in, and the length as a tall girl is kind of perfect. But I feel like if you were shorter and you did buy small, then maybe they'd be a bit too long. But they also have a pocket on the inside, kind of small, but you can hold like your ID, credit card, money, a key. But that is the 28.5 inseam. I also got the black ones, but I got the black ones in 23.75-inch inseam. I think the length for these are actually perfect. They're shorter, but they're definitely cuter. Again, I got them in small, so they're super compressive. Everything else is the same. And they make your butt look really cute. So both of these leggings, they're each made from 25 recycled water bottles. So you can feel good about wearing them, you can feel cute. They just hold everything in, and that's what I like for like higher intensity, especially like cycling and stuff. I don't want to feel like I'm just like spilling out, which is fine. You know, I like jiggling and I just like feeling like everything's staying put, you know. That's just me. And lastly, I got the Skort, but I think I'm gonna return this just because I got it in a large. They didn't have medium, they had small, but I didn't want to risk it, so I just went for a large. I really love the fact that they have like built-in shorts, and the shorts have pockets. They have pockets on both sides, and I think they're big enough to like fit your phone, fit your MTA card, your keys, whatever you need. Super practical. They have this really cute slit on the side. They're high-waisted as well, but again, like I said, these are too big on me, as you can see on the waistband. So we're definitely gonna return these and exchange them for a small and see how that goes. The Skort is made out of 23 recycled water bottles, so you can feel good about wearing it, feel cute. But the winter is coming, so maybe these will have to wait until next year. So everything I purchased except for like the Skort, I'm gonna keep, but even the Skort, I'm just gonna get it in a different size just because I loved everything. I think that working out, you should feel not just comfortable, but you should also feel good. And I feel that when you look good, when you feel good, it makes you work out harder, right? And it helps that everything is ethically made. People are paid fairly. The material is made out of recycled water bottles. And I think the price is actually very affordable for what you're getting. I've had some of these bras for like 4 years now, and they look good as new. They feel good as new. They're just as compressive as they were the day I bought them. I think as consumers, it is our responsibility to do what we can. And I know it's tough. A lot of people cannot afford to invest in pieces like this. A lot of people do not have the disposable income to purchase things that are made more ethically or made from recycled materials, and that's understandable. But I think that if you can afford to, why not? Why not do your part in helping the planet while also stop divesting from these companies that exploit their workers and exploit the Earth's materials? As consumers, we can only do so much. It's not really our responsibility to save the planet. It's these big corporations and big companies that are causing the damage. I think that's why I'm making this video. Like I said, I'm not getting paid for this, but if I can redirect you to spend your money somewhere that you're gonna get what you're paying for, you're gonna get good quality, and you're gonna feel good about it because you're helping the planet in some way, go spend your money with them. Bottom line is, invest in yourself in a way that you will feel good. Not only are you gonna look good, you're gonna feel good, and you're recycling water bottles. So that was my haul. This is like the first YouTube video I ever make, so it's not the best, but thank you for watching. If you use the link down in the description box, then you get $10 off your first purchase, and I get a pair of free leggings, but I feel like I should disclose that, right? But yeah, invest in yourself, love the planet, and until next time.